Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So today's video is going to be another PR unboxing where I'm going to show you guys all the new launches for the week. We've got some big ones back here, surprisingly. I haven't gotten like big packages in a while, but everything that I talk about in this video will be linked down below for you guys with any discount codes that I may have. Give the video a thumbs up and let's get into it. All right, so first off is a surprising one, you guys, but Dolce Vita reached out to me and they allowed me to select some shoes, and I'm really excited because I was like, I never get fashion, I always get makeup. So I'm really pumped. So these were one of the shoes I picked out. I'm thinking maybe the bigger box underneath here might be more from Dolce Vita. So we'll hold out for that. But I picked these ones out. I thought these were really cool and cute. So I'm all about the lower heel and having something a little bit wider so it's easier to walk for me in. I struggle with heels because I've got bad knees. But basically, this one's really cute. You slide in and then this wraps around the ankle, which I thought was like really sexy. So I'm really excited to try these ones on. By the way, I'm a size 10. I have a big foot. But I love these, and they come in different colors too, so I'll link them down below, but these are super cute. Okay, so next up from YSL, they sent over, did we get more of their candy glazes? So they said YSL Beauty invites you to discover Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick, the ultimate fusion of sophistication and playful candy glaze lip gloss. These are just so good. I freaking love these. So they sent over two shades. They sent over shade 13 in Rosé. These are my favorite. Oh, this is a pretty color. It's gonna be these are very like light tint, like a sheer tint on there. So it's gonna give you just kind of like that I just had a popsicle lip, which I love, especially for the spring and the summertime. Then we have shade 5, pink. I don't think I have this one. Oh, that one's really pretty too. Oh, I can't wait to wear these. So just to show you guys, like that's how sheer it is. It's so pretty. And they literally feel like a gloss, but they're in like a stick form, and it gives you the most high shine finish, and it makes your lips look amazing. All right, so next up I have a package from Smashbox here, and it said, isn't it iconic? These are some of their tried and true originals that they sent over. So we have one for the eyes. So we have the Super Fan Mascara, which I remember this baby. And then we have the Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner. Oh, I remember their eyeliners are really good. So these are their Kohl ones. These are a really good one to put in and like smudge out. I think those ones are really pretty. And then we've got, I love their primer. I showed you guys my empties of, I showed you guys my empties of them, and I'm almost done with another one, but this is the primer I use every single day. I use it in my T-zone to help out blur all my pores. Then we've got this amazing Always On liquid lipstick. I remember these when these first launched. These are so good. And honestly, it's like one of the only ways to wear red, to be honest, when you have something so pigmented. Because when you have a liquid lipstick, it's going to stay on a lot better. And then they also have it paired with one of their red lip liners as well. And their lip liners are so good too. I love their lip liners. So love this. Thank you so much, Smashbox. I really appreciate it. Next up, we have a package from IT Cosmetics here, and I'm super excited. We have the new Confidence in a Gel Oil Control, and basically it's a gel cream. This is going to be really good for people who have oily skin for during the day. I cannot wait to try this out. It's got a gel cream emulsion, so it's fresh and quick absorbing. Oil control system, so it's really going to help control your oils and help improve skin texture and reduce sebum, which is amazing. Then you have an anti-aging asset to it where it's 4% niacinamide and 1.5% squalene. So super excited to try out this baby. It's also a really pretty color. So I will let you guys know how this one works for me. This is something that I will use during the day. I got this cute package from Benefit. Oh my gosh, it says play with precision. It's a little drum. So much fun. Ooh, here we go. We've got some brow products, it looks like. So we have the Precisely Fam just got bigger. So it looks like we got 2 new products. So we have the Precisely My Brow Pencil, which I love. It's like the best, you know, fine little pencil for your brows. I got shade 2 here. And then we've got the Precisely My Brow Wax. So brow wax that sculpts and holds brows in place with rich color payoff. So they must have changed this up. Oh, and it's got color too. I got shade 2 here, so that will be a great one to try out. I can't wait to try that one out. Then we have the Precisely My Brow Detailer, detailing brow pencil that creates microfine lines and added dimension to brows. So this one is even, oh my God, this little pencil is even finer than the Precisely My Brow. So this is going to be great for like those inner corners. Oh, that's so cool. So it's super, super fine, you guys. And then you also have your little spoolie on the end. So I can't wait to try this one out and test it out. I'll let you guys know what I think about it. I feel like these 2 products would be really good because you could fill it in with this, and then any sparse areas, you can take the little pencil and fill those in. I might try that out. Maybe we will do it for an Instagram video. Okay, so next up from Buxom. Just because New Year's is over doesn't mean I was going to say, did I find another old package? It doesn't mean to dull your sparkle. In case you didn't hear, Plump Chrome Lips are in for 2024. So they're introducing a Plum Shot Collagen Peptides Advanced Plumping Lip Serum in new multi-chrome tints. These are a pain-free way to instantly plump your lips. You're not going to get the pain, which is one thing I like about Buxom, is that their stuff isn't like super, super intense. They sent over 5 new plum shots here. So let's go ahead and swatch one of them. We're going to go into Spellbound Pink. And I'm just going to put this on my lips. It's going to have that iridescence, that shift to it. But that's really, really pretty. Ooh, you can never go wrong with Buxom. So thank you so much, Buxom, for sending these over. All right, so next up from Beauty Stat, it says that, oh, you can get it at Ulta Beauty. They sent over their Peptide Wrinkle Relaxing Moisturizer. Strong, intelligent, sensorial to the touch, powerful on contact. That's the beauty of now. Our unique formula treats multiple signs of aging. Each treatment immediately lifts, firms, and smooths skin while providing daily hydration. Ooh, I gotta try you. Because I do have like I get the fine lines like right here and then right here. So I definitely will give this a go, and it's now available in Ulta stores, so you guys can go get it there. So thank you so much, Beauty Stat. All right, so we got another one from YSL. They always send the best boxes here. Ooh, they came out with a new Lash Clash Extreme Volume Waterproof Mascara. Oh, waterproof mascara honestly is the best to go. It's waterproof, heat proof, humidity proof, and smudge proof. So that's what it looks like. It's basically their regular packaging, but now the emblem is blue. And then this is what ooh, gosh, if I didn't have lash extensions, I think this would be an awesome mascara. I feel like it's gonna give you a ton of volume. So that looks really, really nice. Thank you so much, YSL, for that. I could try this out on my bottom lashes, especially because it's waterproof, so I know it won't smudge. Okay, so next up from Ofra, I have the Highlighter Beach and Liquid Highlighter Sun. Oh, this is the Ofra and Ladura collaboration. They have this color highlighter right here in Beach, which is really, really pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at this. Especially if you got a tan. Oh, that's so pretty. And then this is the liquid highlight. You can mix this with your moisturizer too. Or no, it's nice and light. Like underneath your makeup, I think that would be so beautiful. Look at that. And great for the beach season. You could even add it to your décolleté, like on your collarbones and stuff. I think that would be gorgeous. So this is so nice. So thank you so much, Ofra Cosmetics, for sending over your new collaboration. All right, so from Le Mon Gourmand, they sent over some new fragrances. Oh, this is so cute and pink. I love this. Fraise Volte. I don't know. I probably completely butchered that, but let's go ahead and spray it. Oh, I sprayed that way too close. Oh my God. But it smells so good. It smells like a creamy, like, that's what it is. It's got to be like a milkshake. like a creamy strawberry milkshake, or like, you know, it smells like those strawberry shakes from Chick-fil-A. That's what that smells like. Super, super nice. And that's what they sent over. So thank you, Le Mon Gourmand. This stuff is really nice and refreshing. I feel like this is a really good for like a hot summer day. So here is the other Dolce Vita that I ordered. Oh, these are their boots. So I really wanted a pair of boots that are like looser by like the upper calf area, like below the knee. I have ones that are over the knee that I really love, but I really wanted some that were wider. And look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh. And I love it again that the heel is fatter, so it's going to be easier, and it's nice and low, so it's easy to walk in. And then you also have the zipper. I'm going to show you, oh, hang on. I'll show you guys a picture of what they look like on a model over here, but these are so cute. And again, they come in different colors. You also have the square toe right here, or the rounded toe. So cute. And I like Dolce Vita shoes. They are comfortable. So thank you so much for sending those over. I cannot wait to try those out. I think they look so cute with like a skirt. Yes. Oh, skirt with like a cute, like a leather skirt with a cute like sweater or something, like, you know, put in. Oh, I think it'll be so cute. I cannot wait to dress them up. Last but not least, I have a package from Loving Tan here. So let's check this out. Okay, so I think something got like a little damp in here. I don't know what it was, but it got a little damp. But it says, "You asked, we listen. Introducing Platinum Express, our most requested product, made for the ultimate tan lover. Platinum Express is our deepest, darkest shade, specially designed to give you the maximum tanning result in 2 hours." I will only ever use their deep and darkest shade. You guys know I'm always the darkest in every tanner one, because I feel like it's the most, it gives you the most olive looking tan. And they came out with a Platinum Express, so just in 2 hours. We are going to test this out, because there are times where I get tired at night and I'm like, I don't want to sit here and tan. So doing it during the day, I could totally do. And they also sent over their tanning mitt as well, which I love their tanning mitts, because they're the nice, like, thick ones that it doesn't seep through and get to your hands. So I love that. So thank you so much, Loving Tan. I appreciate it. All right, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. I know it's not like super crazy big, and I think a lot of it is because we had bigger boxes this time. But make sure you guys come back for next PR unboxing, and everything again that I shared is linked down below for you to get a closer look at. And if I have any discount codes, they will be down there too. I know I have one for Loving Tan, so that will be down there. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.